The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado has finally made its world premiere. Launched in the US only as a Land Cruiser, this is the first new Prado in 14 years, making it a very special event. It's also a dramatic redesign, and the same goes for the leather underside. The 2024 Toyota Prado strikes the perfect balance between functionality and luxury. Durable yet elegant materials create a comfortable, fuss-free cabin space, even in the toughest off-road conditions. Practicality is a key strength, with ample space for passengers and a boot capacity of 620 liters, expandable with an optional third row of seating, ensuring that the Prado meets the needs of families and adventurers alike. The 2024 Toyota Prado is equipped with a 150 kilowatts, 500 Newton-meters 2.8-liter four-cylinder diesel engine, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Initial estimates suggest a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 9 seconds, with a top speed of up to 170 km/h, depending on wheel size. Covering challenging off-road conditions, resulting in average fuel consumption of around 9.4 L/100 km.